Good morning students. Today's topic is chemical degradation of drugs and their preventive measures. Most of the ingredients present in a particular dosage form reacted with environmental factors like moisture, heat, light and radiation to causes chemical decomposition. There are various types of chemical decomposition of drugs can be occurs. We will discuss individually. First, chemical decomposition of drugs occurs due to hydrolysis. Hydrolysis can be occurs due to presence of esters and amides. Preventive measures for hydrolysis by the addition of suitable buffers will prevent the hydrolysis of drugs. Selection of buffers mainly depending on type of buffer can be used and the pH of the buffer. The optimum pH of the buffer to stabilize the hydrolysis of drugs is 3.5 to 5. Second one is complexation. Most of the drugs are complexed with another compound to prevent the hydrolysis. Example, benzocaine and caffeine. If the benzocaine is present in aqueous solution, causes hydrolysis. When benzocaine is mixed with caffeine to prevent the hydrolysis. Next one, suppression of a solubility of a drugs. The suppression of solubility of drugs can be minimized by using different types of methods. First one, addition of salts like citrates, dextrose, sorbitol and gluconates. Second approach is addition of salts. Example, procaine penicillin, benzathine penicillin G. Some of the drugs are converted into its derivatives. We will prevent the hydrolysis. Erythromycin propionate and erythromycin stearate and chloramphenicol palmitate. Second chemical degradation is oxidation. When compounds are reacted with molecular oxygen, causes auto-oxidation due to presence of oxygen, trace metals, hydronium ions and hydroxyl ions. Compounds are undergoes oxidation. Preventive methods for oxidation is addition of suitable antioxidants like tocopherol, butylene hydroxyanisole, butylated hydroxytoluene. These compounds break the free radical chain reactions of oxidation. Another examples are chelating agents. By the addition of suitable chelating agents prevents the oxidation. Example of chelating agents are ethylene diamino tetraestic acid, citric acid and tartaric acid. Some of the vehicles oxygen, by the addition of vehicles oxygen can be replaced with another gases, and by the addition of micellar solubilization when the surfactant concentration can be increases, oxidation can be increases. When the concentration of surfactant is above CMC, the rate of oxidation can be decreases. Next one, by the addition of suitable buffers. Next one, environmental factors. Environmental factors like light to temperature and radiation. Preventive measures for environment control is prevents the exposure from the light to protect the substance by using it can be stored in amber color bottle, stored in light protectant, stored in cool temperature. Examples, morphine and morphine sulfate injection USP. Maintain oxygen free environment. Oxygen is replaced with inert gases like nitrogen and carbon dioxide. The drugs can be stored in low temperatures. Other factors are isomerism, optical isomerism. Adrenaline is converted. LEVO form of adrenaline is having higher greater biological activity when it is reacted with either light or heat. It can be converted into equal form of adrenaline. There are having equal concentration of 50% of LEVO and dextro form. They are having less potent. Next, another drug is hyoscyamin. LEVO form of hyoscyamin having mydriatic effect when are reacted with either heat or reacted with alkali substances or reacted with light. They are converted into enantiomer isomer. They are having less active. Next one is epimerization. ergometrin solution form is having higher activity, it will convert it into ergometrin, they are having less activity. Next one, geometric isomerism, it means related to trans and cis forms. Vitamin A, all trans are converted into cis mono, cis and 2,6-di cis trans vitamin A, they are in less active. Next one, polymerization, when dextrose is stored in a container, when autoclaving or acidic pH, it will convert it into 5-hydroxymethyl furfural. To start the polymerization, the solution can be converted into straw color solution, it will indicate starting of polymerization. Next one, adrenaline, when adrenaline is reacted with environmental oxygen, it will form say adrenochrome. In the presence of oxygen and polymerization start, it will convert it into black brown color. Next one factor is absorption of carbon dioxide. Sodium hexobarbitate undergoes salt hydrolysis, it will convert it into solution. When this solution is reacted with carbon dioxide, it will form a precipitate. For preventive measures, for environmental control measures are stored in well-filled, well-closed containers. It can be obtained di-sterile product, dissolve the carbon dioxide free water. Next one, decarboxylation. Carbon dioxide can be passed into solution for 1 minute to prevent the decarboxylation of compounds. Thank you. These are the chemical degradation of compounds and their preventive measures.